I'm a system engineer here at Spark. I started 2 years ago here. As a software engineer, I'm doing different type of software with different system. I'm developing the code and after I'm testing it on the different car. So we have different two types of car, one off-road and one for the track, so Extreme and Formula E, but it's approximately the same. So I'm developing the software, I'm testing it on a bench or on a table just to be sure it's working, and after we are testing it on the car. At the beginning is here at Spark and after it's on track. So I have the chance to work from the beginning of the software here at Spark as a developing software engineer, and after on track to test it and just to be sure it's working or we need to improve the software. So when I started my studies in engineer, I wanted to do some motorsports. So I've done some internship to do so, but my courses was very general in automotive, but general. So I wanted very specific courses like we learn in MEP to focus all my training and all my learning on motorsport studies, like cars dynamics, tires, data analysis. I've done a little bit with one of my internship, but never in my engineering school. And we've done some on MEP. So when now, as an engineer, I know that all I learned in MEP was very theoretical and also very practical to compare of what we are doing as real engineer. It's nice to do all the practical work and all we've done in MEP, and this is why I choose MEP to focus on my motorsports learning. I think the best thing about the program was working with the FFSA at Le Mans. We spent some days with a young engineer that was working with the Formula 4 driver. So we learned a lot with him. We spent also some days in the simulator, so training as little drivers. And just, yes, to spend hours in the simulator, to spend hours to analyze some data with him or to just see the car and do some work very concrete was, I think, the best part of my year at the MEP. So the MEP in 3 words, I think, is concrete, the simulator, because we spend hours in the simulator, and motorsport, because I've done Estaca before the MEP, so I know about automotive, but it was really motorsport and not just automotive.